Quick Heal Mobile Security. In this video, I am going to tell you how to work Quick Heal Mobile Security and how can we use it. First of all, you can see 4.3 star rating on Google Play Store, and here you can see 10 million plus installation from Google Play Store. So I am just click on install button. After installing, we just open this application and talk about various feature in this application. Okay, everything is done and I am going to open this application. When I click on open button, this application is tell me to proceed their terms and conditions. After clicking proceed button, they just tell hello there, tell us something about you. Okay, just fill all section and click send OTP. After sending OTP, I got a OTP on my device. Now Quick Heal tell me to give some permission for protecting my device. When I click grant all button, here I give some permission and one permission needed, and Quick Heal tell us this permission helps Quick Heal scan website links and check if safe to open. Grant access, then download apps, Quick Heal security and enable this section. After that, I am going to back and Quick Heal tell us to connect with a Google account. Now here is the most important things. Quick Heal show their most popular premium plans. If you want to choose, just select here and click proceed button, or you can purchase it from Google Play Store. Also you can see which feature you get, free and premium. Now I am just clicking continue with free version and click again continue with free version. Now you can see activation successful. Just click proceed button and I just click skip button. Now you can see registration completed, and this is the main interface on Quick Heal mobile security application. If you want quick scan, then click quick scan button and start scan. After clicking start scan button, your phone will scanning. After scanning done, they are showing you how many threads are available in your phone. For now, I am skipping this step and you can see many options here. If you click feature button, you can see which feature available in this application, and here is the menu button. If I click setting button, okay, I can choose 4-digit pin code. After confirming 4-digit pin code, I am getting this option available like deep scan, app lock and many more. Literally, this application works properly. If you want to upgrade this application, you can also click upgrade button and you can choose best plan from here. After all, I can tell you this application is very light and you can use it on your Android device to protect your Android device. And this is not a promotional video. I am using this application from few months and just tell you how actually this application works. If you getting help, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.